Good morning, guys. It's our last day today. It's hard to say goodbye to Maldives. We're gonna go down and have breakfast. See you later.
Come on with me, baby. Oh, never ever leave without me. Baby now.
Hi guys, so manami og breakfast. So mag-impake na ako while waiting for Ate Joyce. Naligo siya. And then ako kay mag-impake na ako. Daghan kay kog mga sinina na wala gyud nagamit. Look at this. Among flight is tonight at 9 PM and then mag-check out me kay 12 noon. Siguro among luggage kay ibilin lang namo sa reception, then mag suroy-suroy mi around the area dito sa whole Maldives.
Baby, don't hold forget me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby.
So let me show you what I bought from the dolphin shop, guys, in Himafushi. These are the ref magnets that I bought. I only bought 3, and then they gave me another 3 for free, which cost $2 US. Hotels here, guys, so facing the beach area, strolling around this street.
Everything I do is for you, baby. Yeah.
Hi guys, so we're here in their local restaurant. This is Jordini, yeah, and we'll try their local food. This is their local food here. This one is called bami goreng, so it's a noodles with chicken and sausage and vegetables. And this one here is a seafood, still noodles, seafood soup. And this one is a papadom, so this is like a crew pick. So every time you dine in, they will give you this free papadom. So mura siya, murag appetizer, something like that, you know. Then this one is chili sauce you can put if you want your food to be spicy. So yeah, I'll eat now because I'm starving and we have to eat because our flight is at 9 PM tonight and currently it's 1 PM. So dito guys, hilig sila og noodles. Murag ilang mga kundi kay noodles. Tuna noodles. Yang lami kay mura siya pancit, mura siya quick siya or something na with spice lang noon siya. Lami siya, guys, this one. When you go to Maldives, you should try this bami goreng. You can put the chili sauce here. So now siya shrimp, nukos, egg, suyok ng sabaw, and fish. Init. So manamig kaon, tabalik na mi sa hotel kay init kaayo, di na mi magsiglakaw kay ang panit mo na mig negra, samot na mi ka negra. Ang ilang pagkaon kay bugat kayo eh. Bugat sa tiyan, mabusog ra gid kay dayon ka. So kato dai mong gikaon kay kuan ra 173 rupiah. So more or less mga 11 USD. So affordable ra man diri ang mga pagkaon.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Shahadat.
Kage.
Not Kage.
You're an Indian?
No,
What?
I'm in Pakistan.
Oh, you're Pakistani.
Yeah. So you like Pakistan peoples?
Don't know. Thank you for the. What's this?
This for like is cappuccino.
Yeah.
This for you, okay? And this Maldivian local food. Some.
What do you call that local
like
food?
is pan fries. Like this very spicy. This very good. Okay. So everybody can try this one. This very nice. This very spicy
It's
also.
a bit spicy, guys.
Yeah.
But I like it. So thank you so much.
Welcome. Desi.
Good. And else?
How are you?
He's watching my video, guys.
Yeah.
He subscribed to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
What's your name?
Sujon.
John. You're a chef here, right?
Yes.
And also a front desk.
Yes.
And the owner, joke. Go here in Maldives, guys. Check out this hotel. It's UI Inn. It's in Holhomali Island. Is it an island?
Yes.
Holhomali Island. So, their staffs are very friendly. They're very accommodating. Wow! Especially this Sujon. I know Sujon and Kage. Kage.
Hello.
Yeah. Say hi to my Filipino friends.
Hi, Philippines.
Hi, Philippines, Spain all.
You say mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. It's
Mabuhay.
Philippine.
Mahal ko kayo. Yun.
Mahal kayo.
Yeah.
You. I.
No!
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード
Kayo, I love you all!
I love you all. Love you all.
Thank you so much, Philippine beautiful girl. Okay.
Bye, guys!
Bye, guys.
Thank you!
Can't remember. Okay, man.
Here is one good one.
We're off to the airport, guys. I'm so sad. I don't want to leave Maldives. We've arrived here in the airport. It's currently 5:30 p.m. here and our flight is at 9. So we'll just wait here and just roam around the airport.
Have a safe flight.
Bye-bye!
See you next time.
You want parking? Just shake hands and high five. Bye. Look at their airport, guys. So this is what you will see. That's the airport over there, and as you can see, that's the speedboat going to different resort. So that's the speedboat from Sintara. So if you are checking into their villas or if you're checking in one of that hotel, the speedboat will take you there. So that's the airport, and then when you go walk here, this is what you will see. This is the entrance to the airport. at this, guys. This villa cost 966 euros. That's almost 1 million. We're now here inside the airport and we're here in duty free. We're trying to find some souvenirs. So if you're looking for some souvenirs, they have the mugs here. So this cost 15 US dollars. This is 16, and there are also $10 here. So mas cheap dire ilahang mga souvenirs compared sa dito sa shop sa local island. I've spent all my money in Maldives, so I bought a half mug. You're gonna buy that one?
Yes, me. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this one.
I like this. How much is this? Oh, it's 25 US dollars. It's nice. Oh, this is cute. Let's see how much. 55 US dollars. Kamahal. It's nice. Have some t-shirt. So the t-shirt costs 23 US dollars. Hi guys, so now here inside the departure area, waiting for our boarding time. Can I have one coffee Oreo?
One coffee Oreo? Small or medium?
Medium.
Medium coffee Oreo. $3. And $7 and
Thank you.
$14. Coffee Oreo medium, upside down.
Thank you. Now bound for Kuala Lumpur.
Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Never ever leave without me. Baby, now